Welcome to the world of Aarogya, the all-in-one hospital management solution. You can either download Aarogya app from Play Store or App Store or use the Aarogya portal provided to you with Aarogya HMS.
Hi everyone, very good afternoon to all. Today we are here at Tirupur. Got this prestigious opportunity to visit the Managing Director of Revati Medical Center with us, Dr. Ishwara Murthy. Revati Medical Center is a 300-bedded super specialty hospital, and along with that he's also the MD for Revati Group of Institutions, a group of colleges catering to more than 20 UG and PG programs. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity and sparing your time. Now that we've implemented Aarogya, just wanted to understand how has your experience been, and what kind of revenue or leakages we have stopped with.
Happy to implement Aarogya Hospital Management Software in our Revati Medical Center. Way back when April, we found through multiple sources about Aarogya, and we were initially skeptical to come a long way, but now we are satisfied, completely satisfied, 100% in all 360 degree. Initially we had some revenue leakage in the previous era. Now it's completely robust, and even our IFC audited in multiple forward and reverse audits and found out there is no revenue leakage. It's a robust software right from patient registration, appointment module, seamless, and OP module, daycare, emergency module, the IP module, operation theatre, TPA, pathology, radiology, pharmacy store, purchase inventory, finance and nursing station, MRD, etc. Everything is seamless, it is updated, and regarding implementation, we had a lot of customization, and we're thankful to the entire robust team. They were supporting, the entire team is very strong right from the top end to bottom, and they supported day and night. Now the implementation is done and we are running seamlessly without any major problem.
I just want to understand how has Aarogya streamlined the current purchase and sale flow management that we have?
To be very frank, initially we had a small hitch in the pharmacy, but it has been resolved by customization. The main pharmacy, main store, OP pharmacy and IP pharmacy, initially the coordination was not there. But when they gave a customization in a single screen, we were able to see all the three pharmacies stock, and we are able to reorder. The reorder level has been set based on that. So now we found it is very, very useful, and any day now the entire pharmacy is set. So I recommend this to any mid-size or bigger hospital, so to anywhere in India or abroad.
Thank you so much, sir. Coming to e-prescriptions, I think so we have adopted Chikitsa Cow here. So how has the rollout been? How has the reception of doctors been towards Chikitsa?
Prescription is wonderful. It's awesome. All the doctors, consultants, they are all super specialty and specialties they utilize. So it is very useful once the patient is registered in the reception, and when the doctor's assistant or secretary or physician assistant takes the initial nursing OPD registration and the vitals. After that, the doctor takes the patient, examines, and he writes the prescription or investigation. Everything is getting carried to the appropriate place, like investigation centers like radiology or laboratory, and from there to the final prescription that goes to pharmacy. Everything is seamless, and we are able to track down a lot of advantages are there in this e-prescription module for any hospital.
I think there was some time we took to do the on-site implementation. How was that, sir? How was our team's reception of the entirety of this institution?
The on-site, it was wonderful. Mr. Mukesh and Mayank were very nice, and we were able to coordinate with them. It was a real challenge to bring in all the 35 to 40 departments and including the accounts, auditing, finance. That was the biggest challenge. Initially we had some trouble, but they worked day and night, 24 hours a day for the initial 1 week, and it was the best time. I really appreciate those guys who did a great job. Back-end team also worked well, including Ratnesh, Satyain, Vinit sir, all Jaya madam, everybody did their job to the highest level. The on-site, it was wonderful. Mr. Mukesh and Mayank were very nice, and we were able to coordinate with them. It was a real challenge to bring in all the 35 to 40.
Forward, I think we'll be going ahead with a lot of modules, and we'll be implementing more and more things. MIS, Power BI, and other AI-related things we'll be definitely incorporating, and let's grow together more and implement more and more such oncoming.
I was delighted to see the Power BI's AI integrated reports for MIS. It's wonderful. Likewise, we also hope a lot of CRMs, and we'll give some suggestions. Whatever day-to-day, software is 100% in the world. Everything should get evolved day by day. Likewise, this kind of relationship, mutually benefiting, will be always help to reach the highest pinnacle.
Just in 2 or 3 words, if you want to comprehensively describe Aarogya, what would those 2-3 words be?
I think it is robust and best software for any super specialty hospital to be implemented, and it's really it's a wonderful experience for patients, hospital, doctors, nurses, paramedics, and also the management.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching.